Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing the iconic The Battle Cats. Yes, this game isn't that popular anymore, but I swear we are gonna have a blast. So let's press play. The battle rising. Let's get all of our tickets. Ooh, this seems to be... I've not played this game in a long time. Ooh, nice. Oh, so much. Try one. And we get... Nice. Let's do some of these. Try one. Super rare, a toaster cat. Wow. Try one of these. Okay, a thief cat. Ooh, this one looks good. I think we'll put... Ooh. Let's do another one of these. Let's see if we can get better luck. Super whale! Oh my god. Phew, we just got so let's try 8 times. Yeah, sorry, it's only 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, I don't think we have this cat yet. Lizard cat. Oh, no, axe cat. Power. Okay. So this will actually use for XP. Okay, giving us more cannon energy. Wisdom. How long is this gonna go for? Charge. Okay, I'm making a video here. Finally done. So missions. There's some new missions. But first, let's do upgrade. Look at all this. And we have that. Boom. UFO cat. Power. Are we just getting everything? Get it. Samurai cat. Night cat. Special cats and werecats. Hey, wait a minute. Hey, where's my other cat. Cat guide. Don't tell me where all my cats are. Storage. Oh. Use on. Yes. Do you wish to continue? Yes. Lots of upgrades. There we go. There is everything. Thief cat, semi-toad. Then the super whale. Toaster cat and cat. These would be insane in battle. Oh, we're already 5 minutes in. Okay, so as we have everything, now we have... Let's put that in. Special cat. Use similar cat. Let's see. Use that for the... Take away this cat. My cat, let's go back. Let's go little cat. Thief cat. Okay, I want to get all of these. It's thief cat for that. Thief cat. This. Let's do for that. Back. No, but no. We're for sure using both of these. Toaster cat instead of UFO cat. This instead of the. Yeah, I think that should be good. Only 7 minutes in, we haven't done a single thing. Ah! Okay, we're just not going to do this. So... Finally, the battles begin. Okay. Oh, do we have anything that we can place? Can we get the 500? Come on, no family. Oh, look at that! That jump. What is this? I don't know, but I think this is a bit too OP. To a samurai cat. Oh, what the heck? Now. Oh. Definitely quiet. Well, if you guys are enjoying this, it's only 10 minutes long. If you guys are enjoying this, put that in the comments. I'm really enjoying this too. This literally is a beast. Put this cat. Cheating. I just have a feeling we're just take that llama out for a spin. It's a boss, so probably gonna beat it. Close the cat. One of my favorites, close the cat. you and your people. They're too strong. Is it just Snow when he comes? My thing is beating him. Oh my god. I'm a bad person. Fish cat. What do we have in those special cats? Oh! I'm saving up for that. That's horrifying. Why accept? Wait, is that really horrifying? I'm just gonna get everything now. Sorry this video's 30-11. It's long. It's not my fault. Okay, we need money. Give me more money. Toaster cat. I need more toaster cat. I need more. Do not have any more. I think I do. Nope. I only have 70. Wow, I'm bad. Ooh. The guy with a spoon. Interesting. Oh, come on. Back in the cat guy do we go? Oh. Let's put them. Let's switch him. Oh. Hey, where is he? Where's cats? There he is. Switching for this guy. I just love him now. Okay, let's on with the mission. Alright, where's all those people? Thought I'm supposed to be attacking him. I'm scared now. I'm crying like a little baby. Whoa. Oh, boo-hoo. I'm so scared. So quick, I don't like this. Nah. That's why you don't heal me then. Yeah, I realized in the last video. Go! I guess. If one of the guys dies, I'm gonna be mad at the other team. What? You have nothing on me. My toaster gang is the most powerful thing. Wielder of the toaster. Wait, I want to see a spoon gun. That is a magical spoon right there. I like it. Where's it going? Come on, I want to see what spoon guy does. Wah, you made me mad. How many golden tickets are we getting? Jeez! Oh, what? I want to see this brown guy in action. What the? Super Leo! toaster, man. Yoobs now. Yes. Right next to toaster. It's equipped. It's equipped him. Oh, where is he? Is he in Super L? Yes. He's a toaster. Yes, the toaster will never lose. I'm just in love with the toaster, okay? Okay, where is he? 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 Oh, there he is. Finally. Well, guys, we probably will be playing along the rounds. So quiet, I don't like this. Should we just... I go with me. No, please, don't make me do this. Well, Brian, if you wanted to do this, we doesn't have to now. Oh! Crispy man. Drip. What does Spoon Man do? Oh, don't let me hanging. It's all these Spoon Mans. Oh! That was Spoon Man does. Actually, I'm gonna pause this video just so I can upgrade the things. Bye. And we're back. Oh. It's a llama. It's a llama. Let's see what this guy has for us. No. Can I have the first thing is a spoon guy? Oh, what the? Spoon guy, do some more things. You're losing. Spoon guy. And we're back. Sorry, technical difficulties. Oh no, we have sheep. Spoon guy failed us apparently. I need a llama. I want llama. No, Spoon guy is the wolf. He left me to die. What kind of man does that? So yeah, we're gonna defeat this guy. Wow, this is actually... Yes! Victory! We are victorious. Now, sorry guys, but we'll have to end the video here. Yeah. Well, let's just do... Yeah. Well, the video is now over. Bye. Bye. Wow. If you guys still here, let's try to get this video to the 20 likes. I'm not asking for much. Well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye!